Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to tween on CapCut. Firstly, launch CapCut, then tap New Project and import your video, image or object you want to animate. Tap the clip or object, then move the playhead to the starting point of your animation. Tap the diamond icon, it appears in the timeline, which is the keyframe. Move the playhead to where you want the animation to end. Adjust the position, size, rotation or opacity of the object, and CapCut will automatically create tween animation between the two keyframes. To make the tween smoother, tap the keyframe and choose ease in, ease out or ease in and out. Then this adds a natural acceleration or de-acceleration to the animation. Now just tap play to preview the tweening effect, then tap export when you're done. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.